Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anolo Games, and welcome to some WWE 2K15 and one more match. Downloadable content, DLC, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, this features the heated rivalry of Christian and Randy Orton.
What if this is it? When Edge and I were growing up, we'd often be like, when we finish school, we really need to, train to learn how to become wrestlers, and then we're gonna hit the road, and then we're gonna do this.
It's right here.
Every single morning, I look myself in the mirror and I ask myself the question, what if this is it? When Edge and I were growing up, we'd often be like, when we finish school, we really need to, train to learn how to become wrestlers, and then we're gonna hit the road, and then we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that, and eventually we'll become tag team champions.
Edge and Christian are the new tag team champions.
Then we're gonna split up, and we're gonna become singles champ.
Christian wins the Intercontinental Championship for a fourth time in his career.
We had it all mapped out, but crazy enough, they pretty much all came true.
A 20-man over-the-top rope battle royal. One of these men will go on to Extreme Rules to face Alberto Del Rio in a ladder match for the vacant World Championship.
Alberto Del Rio anticipates who's going to win this match.
And Mysterio! And Mysterio's eliminated! We're now down to two. Jack Swagger and Christian. Alberto Del Rio! Del Rio just trying to pull Christian. Swagger's eliminated! Edge and Christian, best friends for over 20 years. And now Christian has a date with Destiny at Extreme Rules with Alberto Del Rio in a ladder match for the World Championship. Christian really has made a career out of ladder matches. I've seen this guy do some absolutely amazing things in ladder matches. Christian's putting all the pressure on himself to become the world heavyweight champion.
I hear Alberto Del Rio use the word destiny a lot.
It is my destiny to be the next World Heavyweight Champion!
What's funny is that I've never even so much as put my hands on a World Heavyweight Championship before, because I never felt like I earned the right to touch it.
Christian, my destiny can be stopped.
My destiny is to climb that ladder and not only touch the World Heavyweight Championship, but earn the right to keep it.
So you guys, I might be doing 3 matches per episode. And if I do, then that's gonna be 3 episodes, I think. So yeah.
Is a ladder match, and it is for the World Heavyweight Championship. Let me first introduce Alberto Del Rio's personal ring announcer, Ricardo Rodriguez.
Damas y caballeros, les presento al hombre que ganará su título otra vez a la República de México. ¡Gran patrón! Él es Alberto.
This is so exciting to me, the fact that Alberto Del Rio is part of the Monday Night Raw roster, the fact that he's going to take the World Heavyweight Championship back to Raw in Miami. What a celebration.
Well, Alberto Del Rio claims it's his destiny to be the world champion. He says his destiny can't be stopped, only delayed.
champion. It's like he's talked himself into a corner that he has to win the World Heavyweight title.
So, you know, Christian's made a career out of winning ladder matches. If anyone can get the job done, it's Christian.
Some people feel Christian is the most underrated superstar in WWE.
Well, it's tough to deny that when Alberto Del Rio walked down the aisle, he exuded confidence. It's like he's poised and ready to be world champion.
The first man to climb the ladder is the winner. We are guaranteed to have a new world champion tonight. Good offense by Christian.
When you think about all of the experience and success Christian's had in ladder matches, it's tough not to think that he has the advantage here, Cole.
Well, Christian's history with the ladder match dates back to the year 2000 when he, along with his best friend and tag partner Edge, helped revolutionize this form of combat.
You know, Michael, I think Christian's experience in ladder matches will be a big help. But you got to remember, those were tag matches. This is a singles contest, and not just any singles match. This is for the World Heavyweight Championship.
And in this match, we're going to see Christian's experience with ladders, and if Alberto Del Rio can adapt to what is a new form of competition for him.
And there's a hard right hand. He anticipated that move perfectly.
Oh, launched back into the ring.
Ouch! You can hear that in different time zones. He's got him up. When you think about all of the championships that have been decided in ladder matches, this one could have the most twists and turns.
King, the first ladder match in WWE for a major championship was Shawn Michaels versus Razor Ramon at WrestleMania 10.
Oh, man, Christian using his experience here in big matches to land right into the steel. Face first.
Ouch, he's going to be bruised from head to toe before this one's over.
And momentum is in the corner of Christian.
He drops the elbow. Since ladder matches are no disqualification, no countouts, I wonder if we'll see surprise guests, if you will, during the course of the match.
Well, I feel like with Christian and Alberto Del Rio squaring off, we can see interference at any time.
I think as far as Christian goes, it's safe to say Edge is not far behind. And for Del Rio, Ricardo Rodriguez and Brodus Clay could certainly make their presence felt.
Monumental move by Christian. Christian setting it up. And there's no getting up from that.
You got a feeling Christian's setting up Alberto Del Rio for something big.
Well, you know, Cole, this is where you put it all on the line for the opportunity to be the best in the business.
If Captain Charisma keeps this up, there's no way this match is going to go on much longer.
I don't think there's any lengths that these superstars won't go to achieve victory here tonight.
Well, we just don't know how bad Alberto Del Rio is hurt. But oh!
King, did you see that?
Oh, closer than that.
And look at this critical part of the matchup now. Christian and Del Rio.
Oh, Christian is just about got him, but look at him.
Oh, and a backstabber. By Alberto Del Rio, and King, this is crucial. Can Del Rio capitalize? And look at Rodriguez on the outside.
Yeah, Christian is down. This is a great opportunity for Del Rio as he looks up and eyes the prize.
I think he's gonna win the title here. Christian's down and out, and Del Rio's gonna climb and grab the gold.
Yeah, but Del Rio's taking a lot of abuse, a lot of punishment. It ain't easy to climb that ladder at this point.
And look at the title dangling high above the ring. Del Rio fingertips away from the championship. What the? Who the? Wait a minute! Christian! Christian dumping Del Rio! And Del Rio's out, and maybe, just maybe, this could be the opportunity Christian needs!
Get up that ladder! Come on, Christian, you can do it! Del Rio's down and out. He can't get back up. Can Christian climb the ladder? Climb it! You got it! This should be it! Here we go!
And Christian! He's got the title! His 17-year journey is over! Christian is the World Heavyweight Champion!
Here's your winner and the new World Heavyweight Champion, Christian.
Christian has finally done it!
Yeah, the story here is Christian, for the first time in his career, is world champion.
And you know what? Look at that. His best friend Edge could not be prouder.
Christian breaking down in tears. Edge and Christian, they came up with this industry together. Part of the greatest tag team of all time. And now tonight, Edge forced into an early retirement, celebrating once again, this time through his friend Christian.
Yep, Christian, for the first time in his career, can call himself world champion.
And what a moment.
Edge with tears in his eyes as well. You know, we've lost a great superstar in Edge, but we have gained a great champion here in Christian.
Everything Christian has put himself through over his entire career, and much of that time spent in the shadow of one of the all-time greats, Edge. And tonight, it's Christian doing the celebrating.
Man, you just can't help but be happy. This is such an emotional moment for these two great friends. You know, Edge could not be more proud.
Very few men in history have ever been able to call themselves world champion. Christian now joins that elite group.
And this huge crowd of adoring fans on their feet here for Christian. They realize just how happy this young man must be right now, and they're happy for Christian. Yes.
Again, Christian, the new World Heavyweight Champion.
I don't think Christian or Edge want this celebration to ever end, and nor do these fans.